Hi Johnny, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies. Lexi said I could go ahead and shoot this video over to you. So I created this video to show you 3 things that you can do today to start bringing more customers to your business. The 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So as far as content goes, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. And we see that you have just a couple hundred words, so we definitely want to get some more content added to your home page. When we take a look at your competitors, Bleach Plumbing, they also don't have a whole lot of content. They only have probably about 300 words. Henry Plumbing, same thing, only a couple hundred. And Roto-Rooter has a little bit more. They're probably about 500-600 words on their homepage. So that's all very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we search for Plumbers Savannah, the first thing we're going to see are the paid ads, which really a very small percentage of people actually click on the paid ads. Majority clicks go to the map pack and to the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is really just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. So the tool that I like to use to see how many citations each person has is called whitespark.ca. So when we look at you guys, we see you have 27, Bleach has 45, Henry has 61, and Roto has 14. What I would do is just go ahead and add 350 citations so you can beat your competition by a landslide. So the last thing I want to talk to you about is the organic section, and backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. A backlink is also known as link juice, and link juice, simply put, works like this. So you have site A pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective if you have a relative site linking back to you. So if there was a plumbing site in California linking back to you, that would be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut. So the tool I like to use for that is called AHrefs. So when we plug you guys in here, we see you have 220 referring domains giving you over 3,000 backlinks. Bleach has 21 referring domains giving them 198 backlinks. Henry 66, 205. And Roto has 50 with 565. So another thing, not all backlinks are created equal. So there are spammy backlinks, there are trustworthy, and then of course the relevant ones. And so if we're looking at the UR and the DR, this is the power and this is the trust of your site. And so ideally we want these numbers in the double digits and we want them pretty close to each other. So taking a look at, say, Henry, his site has power but very little trust in Google's eyes. And so while you do have a lot of backlinks, there's very little trust, and so you definitely want to get more trustworthy links pointing back at you and more relative sites pointing back at you. So let's take a look at the keywords. So right here are keywords. Volume is the average monthly searches. KD is the keyword difficulty. It's how difficult it is to rank that keyword. And then position is where you sit. So for Savannah Plumbers, there's 250 searches a month. It's a 9 KD and you're in the 10th position. Plumbers Savannah, Georgia, 200 searches a month, 11 KD, you're in the 10th position. Plumber, Pooler, Georgia, 50 searches, you're in the 6th. Plumber Savannah, 50 searches, you're in the 7th. Let's see. We got Plumbers in Hinesville. There's 100 searches for Hinesville. I don't know if you work that area, but if you do, it's a 0 KD, so it's the easiest to rank for is a 0 KD. You're in the 24th position. So as you can see, there are hundreds of searches every month, and statistically speaking, the guy in the first position gets 33% of those clicks. So if you're not there, you're missing out on quite a bit of business. Just to do a recap for you, you want to go ahead and get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. You also want to go ahead and get your images saved as keywords. So we see that yours is PlumbPro icons residential. Google doesn't see images when they're scanning your site. They just read what's behind them. So you definitely want to get that switched to a keyword. I would go ahead and add another 350 citations so you can beat your competition by a landslide. And you want to go ahead and get more relative, trustworthy links pointing back to your website. All right, Johnny, that's all I have for you. These are all things you can do yourself, or if you'd like to take the most effective, easiest route, you can reach back out to me. My name is Stephanie. My email is info@peerlessstrategies.com, or you can just call me directly at 912-661-3473. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.